Here's the uncomfortable truth. I connected OpenClaw to my website lead form, Slack, internal tagging system. Here's what happens. So this is one of the reasons why I actually got into business. If your AI assistant is connected to your Slack, your WhatsApp, your Telegram, your internal workflows, where's that data actually going? Because most founders plug AI into their business without thinking about it properly. Client conversations, revenue data, internal decisions, lead pipelines, all flowing through third-party service. They don't control. That's not automation, that's exposure. So I did something different. I hired an AI assistant that runs 24/7 securely on my own server, and today I'll show you exactly how I built it properly. Quick disclaimer as always before we go any further, this video is for educational purposes only and is not business, financial or technical advice. I've teamed up with Hosting in this video because if you're going to run an AI assistant connected to sensitive business systems, you need secure infrastructure, and hosting a VPS provides the reliable foundation required to deploy OpenClaw safely. Let's get into it. As always, look, it's every founder's dream to have automation, instant replies, lead routing, internal alerts, AI generated drafts, multi-channel messaging. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most AI automation today runs on rented SaaS infrastructure. That means your data is processed externally, logs may be stored on third-party servers, account restrictions can disrupt workflows, platforms policy changes can break integration. If your assistant is reading Slack messages or responding to customer inquiries, security is not optional, it's foundational. That's why I choose OpenClaw personally, and more importantly, that's why I deployed it on secure VPS infrastructure. Automation without secure hosting is a risk you don't want to take, trust me when I say this. So what is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is a self-hosted AI assistant platform. It integrates with WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord. Instead of logging into browser dashboards, your AI lives directly inside your communication stack. But the key difference is this: it runs on your server, not someone else's cloud environment, not a shared SaaS backend, which from our perspective is quite risky. Your infrastructure, your control, your data. And the one thing I do like about being in business, and this is one of the reasons why I actually got into business, because I want to control my destiny. And what better way to do that than to control your security infrastructure? And that's where I think hosting a VPS becomes critical. Look, if you're running an AI assistant connected to business critical data, you need three things: security, isolation, reliability. Hosting a VPS provides dedicated CPU and RAM, NVMe SSD storage, AMD EPYC processors, isolated virtual server environment, full root access, weekly backups, server snapshots. This means your AI assistant runs in contained environment, not on shared SaaS infrastructure, not inside someone else's ecosystem. You control access, credentials, server configuration, upgrade timing, plus recovery options. Hosting isn't an option from our perspective, it's the infrastructure layer that makes secure self-hosting possible. Everything else, cost, scalability, uptime, comes after that. With that said, let's go through the VPS setup walkthrough for the secure deployment. First thing you got to do is go to hostingit.com. You can use the link in the top part of my description, or you can use the link that's popping up in the caption. This takes you to OpenClaw VPS deployment page. Select the KVM2 plan. Here's why you do that: strong security to performance ratio, dedicated resources, enough power for multiple workflows, easy scalability. Then you of course add to cart and apply the code that's popping up on my screen right now. That gives you 10% off yearly VPS plans. Now here's the key: deploying directly from the OpenClaw page means the application is pre-configured securely. No risky dependency downloads, no random GitHub scripts, no complex Linux setups. Now inside the Hostingit dashboard, click deploy. OpenClaw is pre-selected. Now configure environment variables. This is where you input API keys, authentication tokens, secure credentials. Once deployed, your AI assistant runs inside your isolated VPS environment. Hostingit provides full root access, weekly backups, snapshot recovery, API integrations, Kodi AI VPS assistant, controlled upgrade paths. If something fails, restore instantly. If you need more power, upgrade instantly. Your assistant isn't just running, it's secured. Let me show you something more serious. This isn't just keyword replies. I connected OpenClaw to my website lead form, Slack, internal tagging system. Here's what happens: a potential client submits a form, their name, email, project details, budget, OpenClaw does the following: parses the data, classifies lead value, generates a structured summary, sends priority alert to Slack, drafts follow-up messages. That's sensitive business data. If that runs on random third-party SaaS, you don't control processing layers, you don't control retention policies, you don't control infrastructure updates. But here, it processes on my server inside my VPS with controlled credentials, controlled access, controlled recovery. Let's test it to be sure. We're going to submit the form, Slack alert, AI summary, follow-up draft generated, all executed on secure infrastructure. That's the difference between automation and secure automation. Here's another example. Imagine your assistant connected to internal Slack discussions, financial updates, strategy documents, client communication. Do you want that flowing through external SaaS service or inside infrastructure you control? Serious founders think about risk. Self-hosting reduces that risk. Third-party exposes it. Account restriction risk, platform policy dependency, unexpected SaaS pricing changes. Security isn't fear-based, it's operational maturity when you think about it rationally. Look, if you're going to run an AI assistant 24/7 connected to your business, run it securely. Use my link in the top part of my description or apply the code that's popping up on the screen right now. For 10% off yearly VPS plans, you'll get isolated VPS infrastructure, dedicated performance resources, secure deployment, backup and recovery protection, full root control. Automation is powerful, but secure automation is leverage. Build system, protect your data, own your infrastructure. That's the most important thing I've learned in my past experience as a business owner. Look, as much as I love talking about this, it's time for me to run up this video, and I do want to say thank you for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful and useful, you know exactly what you need to do. Smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, tap the notification bell. I'll see you on the next video, where we are of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship like we always do. Take care now. Bye bye.